Hey folks, today we're going to have a very graphic discussion about cellulitis. If this may offend you, turn this off now. So the easiest way to explain it is that cellulitis is a bacterial infection of the layers beneath the skin. So this 30-something-year-old corporate executive, male, struggled with cellulitis on his scalp for several years. Dermatologists basically told him he'd have to learn to live with his, quote, gross, smelly, bloody head. Yuck. So he consulted a doctor by the name of Dr. Sampson, who was world-renowned for doing face transplants. So they decided to remove all of the skin that was affected, which was 90% of his scalp, and replace it with skin from the back of his leg. Wow! Seriously, I can't wait to see the results of this surgery. For reference, the patient is 6'4", 390 pounds, and he has diabetes, so this puts him more at risk than your average patient when it comes to the healing process. Alright, let's go ahead and show you the after photos because I'm sure you want to see that. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, click like, and come back every week for new videos. Take care, and goodbye.
I would like to tell you about Rest More, an all-natural sleep aid designed to help you fall asleep and stay asleep. If you're looking for a great natural way to get better quality sleep, please visit buyrestmore.com. Thanks for watching. There's an Amazon link below.
Restmore is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Restmore. Now available on Amazon. Good night. Don't forget, if you like our content, then also check us out on Roku and Facebook. We'll put links below. Just check the description for links to our Facebook and Roku channels.